It's a 2013 Kia Sportage. This crossover was made to show off. Not only will you enjoy its agile handling, remarkably smooth ride, and exceptional acceleration, but the bold lines and striking features make a statement. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com find that passengers and driver alike benefit from well-contoured seats and adequate head and leg room. Reliability, quality, Kia. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.